Memories. They're the mental storybook of our lives. The laughter shared with friends, the tears you shed with your mom, but most of all, the adventures that made our hearts race. All these moments that tell the story of who we are. But memories, as precious and special as they are, can fade. Time is a way of tucking them into the deepest corners of our minds, making the details harder to recall. That's why documenting them is so important. Growing up, I used to sit next to my mom downstairs as she would be working away on our childhood scrapbooks and making cards and using stamps and tape and fun pictures. I've always admired her creativity and been eager to find mine of my own. Recently, this year especially, I've certainly found that. That's also when I came across junk journaling. Junk journaling is essentially scrapbooking, but it can be pretty much whatever you want it to be. From photos, quotes, pressed flowers, random stickers, old movie tickets, what have you. It could be anything and everything all in one in this cutie little journal that you keep to document your life's journey and memories forever. Hey guys, it's Emma and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a fun little short video, but I just really wanted to share this with you because I think it's so fun and so creative, especially with a new year and a way to recap the years in the past and just looking back on the past year. I think this is such a fun activity and it's none other than junk journaling. If you're on TikTok, I'm sure you've seen it at one point or another. I'm certainly not the creator of this and not the first to talk about this, but I started this back at the end of June and I just think it's so fun. I have some stuff from last year and some of the things from this year, and there's still so much more I would love to put in here, but I figured why wait to show you and just show you what I've done so far to kind of spark some interest and ideas for you and see if this is maybe something you want to start doing. So first and foremost, you start with the cutest simple notebook or journal to be your focal point. This one, I believe I got from Michael's. She's so cute, so me. I mean, checkered, there's clearly a theme. But then the flowers on it, and it's a perfect texture. It's so stinking cute. I love it. As you know, cute is also in my vocabulary. That is my most used word. That is my Spotify Wrapped. But let's take a look on the inside. So first and foremost, when we open it up, we've got my little name stickers with, of course, my iconic profile picture for my YouTube. But I just love this. I use the HP Sprocket printer, not sponsored, again, gotta cover my back, but this is a Christmas present I actually got a few years ago, and it's so compact and portable and a perfect way to print off some pictures on the fly, and they're already sticky, so it made it super convenient when making my book so that I could just take off the backing and stick them right on here, and they're nice and sturdy, not going anywhere. And then we move into the second page, and I did from my Eras tour recap. We've got a parking ticket, some pictures from it, and then of course my bracelet. I just cut it up and put it at the top here to display. But how fun is this just to recap your memories? I love them, so special. And then going into the next page, I did from when I went to a Quinn 92 concert in Kansas City this year, along with one of my good friends, her bachelorette party this year, to kind of document those moments. I want to do my own bachelorette. That is not in here, but again, the possibilities are endless. You don't have to be super, like, crafty to do this. Truly, I know that I've seen people who have done them and they look so much more cute than mine, but I love it. It's special to me, and I think that's what matters most, right? But I had our general admission wristbands from her bachelorette. I did like the card that we used for the games at the bar we went to. Just super fun stuff like that. And then lastly, what I have in here so far is my honeymoon recap. So this is a bandana we actually had gotten for Man, but he ripped it. So I was like, well, I guess I'm going to repurpose it, and I put it as part of the background here. And then again, some more pictures. And then we tried lychee for the first time. Check out my Hawaii vlog. It's got that documented in there, trying the actual fruit, but we got the gummies to try from 7-Eleven, and they did a really good job at replicating the flavor. So as soon as we bought those, I knew I wanted to keep this part and put it in my little junk journal, and then I want to just kind of recap and write in on this side. So that's all I've done so far, but I've had my own bachelorette party this year, I've had a wedding, I got married, and then I just know there's so many other fun things with like friends get-togethers and stuff like that that I'd like to have in here, just moments with my friends and family that I know I'll absolutely be able to fill more of these pages. And the thing is too, is then if you fill them up, you can just put the year on them, like a piece of tape or something to document that time frame, and then create a new one. So it'll be something really fun to do yearly to just recap, again, your adventures, your travels, your memories, special moments, big moments, little moments, everything in between. They're just so stinking fun, and it's really pretty affordable. I can link a sprocket down in the description so you know where to find them, but I know, like, I'm sure Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart even probably has them, Target, any of those type of stores that have technological items. But it's really such an easy thing and doesn't take a lot of effort. It is a bit time consuming, I'll say that, but it's so worth it just to have something to easily look back on everything. And you know, those memories last a lifetime, but being able to relive them and see the pictures that go with those memories, it's just, I don't know, so special. And those little keepsake items as well, those little mementos to carry on those memories forever. But that is it for our little quick junk journal video. I showed at the beginning kind of me going through the process of making it, but if you have any questions, as always, drop them down in the description below, or let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know or see on my channel. And I hope you just have a wonderful new year, and new opportunities are ahead of us. Just, you never know, the possibilities are endless. There's always bigger and better, but the biggest thing is just living in the now and being able to live in the present, because that is what you can control in this time. You can't control the future, so just try to live and be present as much as possible going into this new year, soaking up all those special moments and memories, and then documenting them so that you can look back on them at the end of the year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!